Well, it's Samantha with Dollar DIYs. So I ended up going to another new Dollar Tree to me. It's actually close to my Walmart, and I didn't realize it was there, but I needed something, and I ended up getting a really big haul. So I decided to video that again. So the reason I ended up going to this Dollar Tree was to pick up some hair gel for my husband. It's just $1 hair gel. Nothing special, but he likes it. So picked up 2 of those. And then since it was new to me, I picked up all kinds of stuff. So I picked up this brand. It's called One and Only Speed Style. It says it's a dry texturizing spray. I don't know if it's a fancy name for hairspray or what, because it says it's a long-lasting hold with a flexible finish. So it seems like fancy hairspray. But I used an app that I like to use when I'm at the Dollar Tree for name brand products. The app I have is called Barcode Scanner for Amazon. So it's a barcode scanner that you scan the barcode. So this is what it looks like when it comes up, and you click Scan Barcode. And so an ad popped up. So what I'm going to do is I'll scan the barcode. I'm trying to show you, but I don't think it'll work. So you scan the barcode, and then it'll tell you the results of how much it's going to cost on Amazon. So for this, it's showing that it would be $12 on Amazon. So I figured I'd try out a $12 hairspray for $1 from the Dollar Tree. They also sold like shampoo and conditioner in this same brand. So I figured I'd try it out and see how it worked out for me. So that's a really good deal. I also found these other name brands products. This is Jergens. So it says it's an extra moisturizing hand wash, and it's in cherry almond scent, which I'm excited about this because sometimes, like if somebody's sick and I'm washing my hands a whole lot, or if I'm just washing a lot of dishes, or especially in the winter, my hands get really dry and start cracking. And so to have something with like a lotion or moisturizer in it is really good. And it smells divine. It smells like straight up almond, like almond extract. So it smells like a wedding cake to me. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. When I scanned them on my Amazon app, they were either $5 or $6 a piece. So I ended up picking up 2. So those are really good deals. Also, this Dollar Tree ended up having a lot of E.L.F. products. And so I went ahead and picked up the Jumbo Lip Gloss Stick. It says it's in pink umbrellas. But this Dollar Tree ended up having like these sticks, different lip glosses, lip lacquers, blush. What else did they have? Some sort of like concealer or something. They had all kinds of different products. So I know that E.L.F. is a nice name brand. I didn't scan to see how much this normally would be. But I went in and picked it up because I liked the light shade of it. I don't really wear makeup a whole lot, so I thought this could be a nice little shade. Another thing that I ended up picking up were these really awesome Band-Aids. These are NFL Saints Band-Aids, and it comes with 50 of them. I've actually already opened up a package, so I can show you what they all look like. Oops. We've already used the Band-Aids too. But they're a nice size Band-Aid, and these are the 4 different kinds that you can get. But these Band-Aids, when I scanned it through the Amazon app, they were, I think, $5 a piece as well. So I got 2 packages for $1 a piece. So I thought that was a really cool deal, and to have fun Saints Band-Aids. Another thing I got, which is something we need, is a shower curtain liner. These aren't like the most sturdy, but by the time ours gets yucky, it's good to throw them away. And so just buy a cheap one. I also bought these Kleenex brand wet wipes, and there's only 8. I don't think this is a good deal. I wouldn't have normally bought them. However, Obed cut his little finger at the store, so we cleaned it up and then put a Band-Aid on him. I looked to see if there was like a little first aid kit to use, but I couldn't find one. So the next thing I have is I bought one of these. So this is like it says it's an organizer, which could hold nail polish and nail things. But what I got it for was to hold my essential oils. They have enough squares. The size of the squares are large enough to do that. And so I got one that has just all squares. And then I got two of them that has a big back compartment in case there's other miscellaneous things that I want to do. So I picked up two of these. This Dollar Tree had a lot of good organizing things. Something else I picked up was this just auto mitt. I plan to use it as like a dusting rag. Just put it on, be able to easily wipe off the blinds and whatnot. So that's what I got this for. And then they had these, it's called Scents Vent Sticks. It is a wild berry flavor. It smells really, really good. My car is a mess right now, and so the plan is to clean it out and then make it smell good. Some of the last things I bought were food related, kind of kitchen related. This is just a pizza cutter, Professionals brand. I don't know anything about this brand. I actually didn't scan it on my app. However, I need a new one. I actually bought, the previous one I bought was from Amazon, and it was cheap, fell apart. So I picked up this one, and it looks a little bit nicer and a little bit more sturdy. And so hopefully this will work for us. Let me go ahead and scan it, and I'll see if it comes up on Amazon. No results on Amazon, so I'm not sure about the brand. Something else that I purchased was some more ground cinnamon. I could get ground cinnamon like this at Walmart for like 96 cents, something like that, but it's a little bit smaller of a container. So I picked this up. And then I picked up another can of the Duncan Hines blueberry pie filling. I went to Walmart and I saw that the other pie filling that's in the same size can, Walmart brand is like $3.50, and then there was another brand that I wasn't familiar with. It was the only other name brand that they had at Walmart, and it was like $3.75. So I got this whole can for $1, and it's Duncan Hines. So I was excited about that. And then I also bought Cat in a Hat DVD. So that's exciting. There was the only one I saw. They had some Sid the Science Kid DVDs while I was there too that I probably should have picked up, but I did not. But yeah, $1 for a DVD. And then the last things I have are Father's Day cards. And yeah, they're really nice. Just like the Mother's Day cards. I got a really nice Mother's Day card this past time. And normally if you pick these up at Walmart or something, they're going to be like $5 to $7. So this is really cute. So this one is, I'm so thankful you're my dad. Happy Father's Day. To the best dad anyone has ever had. Happy Father's Day. And on the back it says, love ya. And then this would be the card that Obed will give to James. It says, to the coolest pop. And it says, Happy Father's Day. And then on the back it says, to the coolest pop. And then the last one says, Father, husband, best friend, provider, our rock. And it says, Happy Father's Day to the man I could not do without. So this will be the Father's Day card from me to him. And then it's just a heart on the back. So I thought those were really, really nice, especially for $1 a piece. And, oh, there's only one more thing I forgot that I bought. It's just a dish, the name of the container is just a dishwashing bin. But what I'm using it for is for my fridge to put meat in. So if it ever leaks out any juices or anything like that, it's not going all over my fridge and all over the other food in there. I can just clean out the container. So it looks like that's all the stuff that I have. If you are enjoying watching my Dollar Tree haul videos, please give me a thumbs up. I would be happy to know about it. So that's all I have. Thanks. Bye.